Now, ideally, the graphene structure, which is two-dimensional carbon monoatomic layer structure, will look like this one, a hexagonal, beautifully arranged network structure. And until 2004, this material was not in fact discovered. People don't know about the existence of graphene. And the first time it was synthesized, or it was made in the lab, was by using a very simple method, because the understanding that there are monoatomic layers of carbon exist which stack together to form graphite. So therefore, what in principle one should be able to separate these monolayers and then take them out and study them. This is what was done in the year 2004. They took a block of graphite, put a sellotape on that, and just peeled the sellotape from the surface, and then some material from the graphite got coated on the sticky surface of the sellotape. Then the sellotape was dissolved in a solvent. So what is left there is basically graphene, and this is how the graphene was discovered in the laboratory. And subsequently there were refinement methods to say this thing, but the story is this. Now, graphene is actually a very wonderful material, because if you look at this table that I have made here, its conductivity is fantastic, it's better than that of copper. It's very strong, better than diamond. I'm talking about two-dimensional strength. That's the reason people joke that if you want to make a ladder to go to moon, so the ladder has to be made of graphene. It is so strong that you can really walk on it from Earth to moon. Electron mobility, at fast electrons can move, is much better than that of silicon. It's a transparent material. Another interesting property is it is a filter with a pore size extremely small, so that even atoms like helium cannot pass through it. So it can be used as an atomic filter, and people use it for desalination experiments in water treatment. Graphene is a wonderful material for that. And the large surface area of this material allows it to be used as a beautiful catalyst. So when you have all these properties available in a material, it is clear this material will have large application potential, and that is factually correct.
NSTC is again organizing the workshops on very exciting topics. Registration link is given in the description box below. So book your seat as per your availability and interest. For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the links shown on the screen to stay connected.